Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So, first of all, thank you everyone who joined the self-healing session, free self-healing session for 7 days we had last week. And I got some amazing feedback from all of you that how much effective it was and how much better you guys felt. So thank you so much for joining the session. And I would have another one soon in the month of August. It would be a 21 days love manifestation session. So if any of you who would be watching this video are interested, you can follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page. The links are provided in my channel and I will also tag the links below. So once the notification is out, once I announce it, you can reach out to me and we can join together in the session. So today after so much of self-healing and so much of positivity and so much of taking the aligning ourselves with the universe, with our chakras and everything. Let me tell you one thing. The entire purpose of healing yourself, or the entire purpose of aligning yourself first, grounding yourself with the Mother Earth, and aligning yourself with the higher power, with the higher self, is all to make you aware of one simple thing, and that is you can have anything and everything that you want in life, right? So irrespective of the fact that wherever you are today, whatever you are doing, that is irrelevant, because those things are a result of, as I keep saying, that whatever choices you have had made in the past, right? But where you are going tomorrow would depend upon what or where you want to go tomorrow, right? So irrespective of whatever your current circumstances is, say for instance, if you want to create a company of your own, you want to build a company of your own, but maybe today you right now do not have that capital, or you do not know which domain, or you have not figured it out entirely, but that's fine. Start working on it from today onwards, because every action, every choice that you make today is going to create your future. But if you keep bothering about the fact that right now I don't have the finances, right now I don't have anything, you are seeing whatever is there in the current moment, right? You are not seeing the bigger picture. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. But whatever actions you take today, when you draft that page about your company, when you start doing that one step towards your company, whatever is there in your power right now, you're doing everything to take that one by one step, and taking that baby step, as we call it, taking one day at a time, is finally going to get you closer to what you want. And that is what I want to talk about today, that law of attraction says and believes you can have anything and everything that you want in life, correct? So the first thing about to remember is accept whatever your current situation is. Don't get engrossed in the fact of whatever the current situation is, but accept whatever it is. So it might be anything that you want to manifest in your life, right? So if you're wanting to manifest a relationship, if you're wanting to manifest a specific person, if you're wanting to heal your relationship, if you're trying to manifest that dream job, or that a lot of money into your life, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, first accept whatever your current situation is. So doesn't matter if you're not in a relationship right now, if your relationship is going through not a very happy phase, if you're having trouble, that's fine. Accept it, that okay, right now in this moment, this is what the current situation is. Because when you accept something, it always loses the power to overpower you. When you try to shove something off, when you try to avoid something, that is when it keeps coming to your mind. That is when it keeps, haunting it. Because the more you're trying to suppress your feelings, the more it will try to come out, because it's not getting an outlet, right? So even when you try suppressing your feelings, you try to avoid your feelings, what happens is you are actually not creating that space. You're blocking that space in your life for the new things to enter. So feel and accept whatever the current situation is. Now when you completely accept it, then you try focusing on the solution part. Then you try focusing on, okay, right now this is the situation, what can I do to make it better? Now, some cases I'll tell you, there is nothing you can do. Say for instance, if you want a particular job with a company, but You have given your interview, you have done everything, your interview was very well. Now your job is done, your actions have been taken. You cannot do anything else rather than just wait in patience and wait for them to get back to you. So patience, waiting is also a kind of biggest action. But in the meanwhile, what you can keep doing is, you can keep focusing on your current work, you can keep focusing on your current life. Take every single day that is given to you, every opportunity that comes. You can still go out with your friends, you can still hang out, you can still keep doing your amazing job that you're doing right now. But instead of, taking one day at a time and focusing on whatever you have and enjoying it, if you keep thinking about the fact that when are they going to contact me, when are they going to contact me, why are they not contacting me, you are creating negative thought process in your mind. And then what happens is, you keep pushing that thing away further from you. The more you let go, the more you set it free, that okay, I have done my best, I have given my best, now it's a job of, my job is done, now it is someone else's job to reach out to me and give the feedback. When you have that kind of an attitude and you go careless and carefree about it, you don't care, right? And you start focusing on your other aspects of life, that is when the universe can make, and as I always say, the universe can play its part in wrapping that gift that you want in the most amazing, unique way, in the way they want to, and bring it to you in the most unexpected way. But if you keep thinking about your manifestation, if you keep thinking about that, when is it going to come, when is it going to happen, what you're doing, you are actually keeping it or pushing it further away from you. So you have to set it free. So accepting whatever it is, your current situation, then trying to focus on how you can change the situation. And that you can do only when you become extremely clear about what you want in life, right? Okay, if you want to manifest a relationship, but right now there is no relationship and right now you're single, so what you can do is actually enjoy your single life, but still keep yourself open, still keep yourself, in that zone that, okay, I'm ready to meet some amazing people in my life with whom I can have that fulfilling relationship. And then you start taking action, that is, you meet new people, you go out with your friends, you get introduced to people, or you go on a dating app, or whatever actions that you want to take, but you have to take those actions. But first, if you keep cribbing about the fact that I'm not in a relationship, or I don't have someone in my life, so that is more creating the lack of those things. And the more lack feeling that you get, the more you think that something is not there in your life, the more it is not going to be there in your life. It's not going to come to you. The more you set it free and say that, okay, you know what, I don't have it right now, but I have so many other things, and you start focusing on them. And that is when those things starts coming into your life. Okay, so you can actually have everything and anything that you desire, but the things to remember in order to get it is that you accept whatever your current situation is, whatever your present situation is. Then become very, very, very clear about what you want in life, and then start taking action towards it. And once you have taken your actions, once you have aligned your feelings, aligned your thoughts with your manifestation, the key or the main thing which makes every miracle happen in the world, and trust me when I say that, is letting go. When you completely set free your intention, when you are not attached to the outcome, when you don't care about how it is going to happen, when it is going to happen, or if you don't care. You're like, I have done my work, I have asked the universe for what I want, now I'm just going to enjoy my life with everything else. That is when manifestations happens fastest, because the moment you set free something, the universe can work its magic. But the more you try to hold on, the more you try to control, then the universe doesn't know what to do, because you are trying to make things happen your way. And given our mind, and we always look at what the current situation and what the current circumstances are, and we are not always able to see that, that the things which are not visible, which are happening in the outer world, so you can't control it. So you try to manipulate it or make it happen through whatever current circumstances. But your current circumstances are actually a result of your past experiences. So what you're doing is you're actually repeating the past. And in that case, your future or the tomorrow that comes is going to be the same thing as your today, right? So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and my videos are out every Monday, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Keep following me, And as I said, reach out to me on my other Facebook and Instagram channel, and have a great, 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 lovely day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.